Hey guys, this is Fundo on One Show Parama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday. Zetulele and Spongile are endless with guilty. Mira and Dr. Wallace consent plans to explain the loss of Mira pregnancy. One that is bad news for Shira. Tuesday. Mzwandile breaks the news of his sister's death to Sakile, who's immediately out for blood and revenge. Lindiwe and Lindo wakes up in each other's arms with a missing Clavia and no money to show for their evening together. Wednesday. Sakile warns Mzwandile that they are going to do everything in their power to found and punish Slindile killers, while Phakade offered to help Mzwandile with Slindile funeral. Dr. Wallace helped Shira found a dead baby to buy as her own. Testing. Nairobi throws Shira clothes out and Shira leaves. Lindy will tell Lindo they not getting the money. Mira needs Jody help with Nairobi. Lindo confronts Clavia and it ends badly. Zetulele meets with a witness to the accident. Friday, Nozinho reveals that what she saw on the night of the accident and shows Zetulele his license plate and blackmail him. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.